Hey guys, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to discuss about some project positions which has been posted on Aizer Mohali website. This is the official website which is here. I will give you link to reach out to this particular website. Now there are two positions currently for chemistry students, and both of these positions are paid positions. Okay, like you will be getting a stipend for that, and these are 2 month course, and I'll talk about all the details of this particular project position. So do watch this video carefully till end. Also one request, if you have not subscribed the channel yet, please do consider subscribing the channel. And now without wasting any time, let's continue with our video. All right, so this is the first project position. This is basically an internship position. Here it says that applications are invited from eligible candidates for the position of student internship in the project entitled. Now the title of the project is Exploring Chemotactic and Catalytic Properties of Oligonucleotides for Designing of Self-Powered Nanomotors. This is the title of the project, and it's a part of your scientific research, and this is the position. Okay, that's the title of your project. Now the things regarding is like it's a position for 2 months student internship. That's an internship of 2 months, and applications are invited. Again, the same thing is written over here, and it is basically funded by the SERB. Okay, now there are different funding agencies for a particular project, like there is DST, there is JRF, there is CSIR. So there are different funding agencies. SERB is also one of that funding agency. Okay, now number of position is 1. So for this particular project there is 1 position, and financial support of rupees 5,000 per month will be given. Okay, so for a particular student who will join as an intern for this project will be given 5,000 per month, and it's a fixed amount. Okay, duration is maximum of 2 months from the date of engagement. So whenever you will be asked to join, from that date of engagement till 2 months this particular project is going to go. Qualifications which are required over here, let me zoom it a little bit. So essential qualification is that the student should be pursuing either BSc or he should be pursuing MSc. If you are a bachelor student or master student, in both the cases you are eligible for this. Even if you are a MTech in chemistry, then also you are eligible. Chemical engineering, if you have done MTech in chemical engineering, then also you are eligible. MTech in biotechnology, then also you are eligible, like MSc and BSc in biotechnology, then also you are eligible. So any of these courses, BSc, MSc or MTech in chemistry, chemical engineering or biotechnology, if you have done any of these, you are eligible for this with overall good academic record. So your academic records are going to act as the you can say as a deciding factor. Okay, now what is the desirable condition? Desirable condition means who is going to get more preference. Okay, so candidate having inspiration in pursuing research in the field of interest in biophysical, in both experimental and theoretical aspects. So if you are one of those who are interested in biophysical chemistry and you want to pursue your research in the field of biophysical chemistry, both experimental or theoretical, will be given more priority, or they are more desired to join this particular project or join this particular internship. Now general conditions are that the position is temporary and not extendable beyond 2 months. So this is just a 2-month internship. Interested candidates should send an email with the subject of student internship. So your subject should be student internship, and you have to send this particular email to principal investigator, and his email ID is given over here, smathi @aizermohali.ac.in, before 6th of August. So that's the last date, or that's the deadline. If you are interested, if you want to join this particular internship, you have to just make or you have to send an email with this particular subject in the email to this particular email ID, and a copy of their resume. You have to mention in the email that you are interested, why you are interested, all those things you have to write down, and a letter of motivation. So two things are very important: copy of resume and letter of motivation. Letter of motivation is like, okay, let me tell you both the things. Resume, you all know. Okay, so your basic information about yourself will be in your resume. Letter of motivation will be a kind of like why you are motivated to work in this particular field or this particular project. So that is going to be a kind of letter of motivation. So generally this letter of motivation in a more formal form is called as statement of purpose. So that's the only thing. Statement of purpose in a informal way or in a less formal manner is your letter of motivation. The shortlisted candidate will be informed about the date and time of the interview by email. So when you will be shortlisted, you will be given like date and time of the interview by your email only. Okay, academic certificate and other relevant detail will be collected at the time of joining. So don't worry about your academic certificates, that will be collected at the time of joining. Okay, so this particular project is under Dr. Subrabata Methi. Okay, so that's the person who is person in charge, and his assistant professor, and his email is again given over here. So this is a project for those who are more interested in biophysical chemistry. Now there is one more project in the same way. Let me tell you about that. So this is the second project. Okay, this is the second project, and it says that application are invited from eligible candidate for the position of student internship in the project entitled Design and Synthesis of Discotic Liquid Crystal for OLEDs application. Okay, OLEDs are like organic light emitting diodes, their application as a part of scientific social responsibility in the SERP funded project. So again, this is also a SERP funded project, and again the same thing is here. There is just one position under this particular project. So one position in the previous project, one position under this project. Amount is same, the stipend will be 5,000 per month, and the maximum duration is of 2 months again. So 2 months internship, 5,000 per month will be given. And again your essential qualification is same. You can see the student should be pursuing BSc, MSc, MTech in chemistry, chemical engineering or biotechnology. Right, so that's the essential qualification. Desirable qualification is that candidate having inspiration in pursuing research in the future with interest of organic / material chemistry. So this project is for organic chemist or material chemist, those who are interested in organic chemistry work or material chemistry work. For them this project is. The previous one was for biophysical. Okay, general condition, it is mentioned that the position is temporary and not extendable beyond 2 months. So beyond 2 months, the other details are same. The only difference is that here you have to mail to a different person, skpal@izarmohali.ac.in. that's the email ID over here. The subject will remain same, that is student internship, but the supervisor is different, principal investigator is different over here. And the last date to apply for this is 10th of August. So this is this is up till 10th of August. Okay, the previous one was till 6th of August. So that's the difference, and that's the difference between them. And the person who is principal investigator for this particular project is Dr. Shantanu Kumar Pal. So these are two projects, and these are very like good opportunities, especially if you want to do internship and you want to join as an intern and get paid for that. Okay, if you are in BSc or MSc and you want to join as an intern and you want to see how research is being carried out, Izar Mohali has opened up this thing, and you should apply for that. All right, one more thing, this is not online internship. Okay, so you have to go to that place and you have to join. That's why it is said, right, at the time of joining they are going to collect all your certificates. So make sure that it is not an online like internship. All right, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys understood well. I hope the things are much clear to you, and that's all from my side. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. If you have any doubt, if you want to ask anything, you can drop down in the comment section below. And that's all from my side. Thank you so much for joining. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye. I teach live for CSI UGC NET category on the Unacademy Plus platform. You can access my profile, you can reach out to my profile through the link given in the description of this video. Now on the Unacademy Plus platform, you will get my free classes as well as the paid classes. Free classes, free live classes you will get under the section of special classes, whereas you will also get free recorded sessions, free recorded courses, which is under free courses section. You can reach out to these particular sections on the Unacademy platform. The link is there in the description of this video, and you can get the access of all these free sessions. Now in case if you want to attend my paid classes, my paid sessions on the Unacademy platform, you have to take Unacademy Plus subscription, and do make sure you are using my referral code, that is N_Huda. On using that referral code, you will get 10% discount on the subscription fee, and all my paid classes, you will get access to all my paid classes along with the other top educators on Unacademy platform.